Hello guys. Today I'll be trying LemonHeads. They're very lemony. First I'll read the nutrition label before we dig in. One serving size is 12 pieces, which is 60 calories. Has 14 grams of total carbohydrates per serving and total sugars of 12 grams of added sugars, which is 23% of your daily value of added sugars. Now I'll try it. I'll just try one right now. Right off the bat, it's very lemony. It's not too sour yet, but it is very sweet. It feels as if it has a coating of lemon. I can slowly feel it starting to get more sour. It's getting more sour. It's very delicious. And I'm enjoying it very much. The flavor is slowly starting to wear off. Because the coat of lemony flavor is coming off. And it's starting to just become the ball of sugar. The flavor of lemon is gone. I love LemonHeads. The flavor is all gone, and now it doesn't really taste like anything. But I still enjoy it. It's almost done, but there's not much to say. I would rate this on a scale of 1 to 10. I would rate it an 8 because it tastes really good. If you liked the video, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Hey guys, hope you liked the video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and put those post notifications on. I'll see you in the next video.